Hi traders, welcome to my channel. We are starting our next stock review of the American stock market. American Express, sideways trend between two levels, no deal today. Bank of America, look. Bank of America has opened above the level 48.46. If tomorrow it will open under this level, we can sell it. And stop loss here to these bars. Let's wait tomorrow or Monday. Caterpillar, I was set sell limit on this level, but today it doesn't touch it. Let's see why. You see the spread is about 254 points. So let's use this spread here. Okay, from this level we can sell it, but stop loss we have to hold here. So about $30 we will have the losses. You have to see your own money management and if your account allow you. Okay, CSCO. No deal, sideways trend. eBay, we are waiting that it's breaking through the level 88.6. I think today it's breaking through. General Electrics has opened above the level 289, so no deal today, we cannot sell it, it's dangerous. If tomorrow it will open under this level, of course we can sell it. We have the level for stop loss here, so let's wait tomorrow or Monday. GILD is going down, but there's no any strong level to sell it now. IBM, I wait on the level 235.9 here. And Netflix, let's see how it works on the level 95. After, let's take a decision when to sell it, because now American market we can only sell looking on the situation in the world. Okay, and the review is all for today. Have a good trade, see you tomorrow.